Okay, we're now going to have a look at the Pelican tactical torches. I've just got a small cross section of the torches because there are about 50 tactical torches in the range. But the thing that's very important to stress, torches are like cars, they're a personal choice. So what I'm going to show you is what Pelican have in their torch range. But the very important thing to remember about Pelican torches is that they are backed by a lifetime warranty. You break it or it fails, Pelican replaces it. So the first torch we'll have a look at is the 5050R. USB rechargeable, and also has an additional feature in this one where you can actually use the internal battery as a power source to power other devices. So if your phone needs a top up, you can drain the battery from the torch to top up your phone. Tail end switch comes on as a flood, move the head forward, turns into a spot. Little Pelican 7100 torch. Very important with these torches, don't shine them in people's eyes. These are high powered torches. Again, USB rechargeable. When you close the bezel or the neck, they're waterproof. This little guy, 700 lumen output. He is a fixed beam torch, unlike the other unit which will go from spot to flood. These are a set fixed beam. Next up is big brother to the 7100 is the Pelican 7600. Again, tail end torch, 944 lumen output on high, multiple modes. You go through to disruptor, down to medium, down to low. The torch itself will run from 3 hours on high up to 24 hours on low. But this torch is an extremely versatile torch, and in fact, in my opinion, is actually the best torch that's in the range. And the reason that it makes it so good is you can get with it the holster and wand kit. So your torch now becomes a fluorescent tube, and in fact, of a night time, it's too bright. You need to bring it, in fact, down to medium, and it's a beautiful output light, particularly if you're working in the cabin of a motor vehicle. The other good thing about this torch is it covers all bases in terms of if you happen to be at first at a scene of an accident or you need to undertake traffic direction. You've got your white light, you turn the neck, you've got your red light, turn the neck again, you've got your green light. Now, to further enhance the Pelican 7600 torch, what we then did was developed a non-slip base for it. And the purpose of the base was to allow emergency services who need to go up onto the roof of a house or a building to deal with storm damage. They're a lightweight non-slip base that will simply clip onto the belt. The torch sits in the holster. The person going up the ladder can maintain safe operations by maintaining 3 points of contact as they go up on the ladder. When they get up onto the roof environment, it's quite a simple matter of getting your base, getting your torch out of the holster, slipping it into the base, turning it on, and of course you want to have it on your white light, and there's your area illumination in a non-slip base. It also comes with a little pouch which has an additional 2 meters of cord in it and a further carabiner, so that if you're worried about this setup becoming a fall hazard, you can simply tie it off onto the nearest beam, so you've got peace of mind that it's not going to fall off the roof. The next two torches are tactical torches designed for primarily police and special operations teams. Tactical torches have tail end switch and also the front end switch. This is the 7060 LAPD model, which is in use with a number of police forces. And this is the latest generation, the 7070 torch. This unit output is over 1200 lumen. It has a wireless charging port, so it slips into a base, so you don't have to plug it into anything. And again, it has front end switch and also tail end switch. So they're just a snapshot of the tactical torches in the Pelican range.